Hello Bladers! ECQ has been lifted and we start going back slowly to our normal routines, but we all know that COVID-19 will not disappear anytime soon, right? We have some tips for you on how to deal with COVID-19 to keep us protected. Welcome to our Daily Drive. Everyday tips for everyday driver. If you are not subscribed yet, you are missing out. We all know that this pandemic is not going away anytime soon. We need to be cautious and careful to protect ourselves and most especially, our families. Here are some reminders to help us all fight COVID-19. Number 1, avoid carpooling. Carpooling is a practical solution in commuting, however, it is not advisable in today's time to carpool. If your usual passengers have their own cars, it's better for them to drive at least for now. For sure they would understand. If driving their own cars is not possible, then a healthy alternative like taking a bicycle to work might be a good way to exercise and get fit. Number 2. Wash your hands frequently. If you treat your car like your baby, then you wouldn't want to touch it with dirty hands. Before hitting the road, consider washing your hands with soap and water or use alcohol because it helps kill viruses. Or even yet, always have rubbing alcohol handy all the time. Number 3, don't drive if you're sick. No matter how much you are itching to leave your home, driving sick is a risk already, how much more if you're infected by the virus. It is better to use your sick leaves rather than risking yourself on the road. Stay at home, quarantine yourself, and if that is not enough then go to your local healthcare clinic. Number 4, clean your car. Clean your car, especially the interiors and door handles, since this is the area that is usually the first in contact with the virus. While cleaning, consider using gloves for it can help prevent the spread of the virus. Number 5, don't leave any trash in the car. Leaving trash inside the car increases the chance of the virus spreading inside. So keep your car interior clean. Number 6, cover your car. Not all car owners have their own parking slots. If you are parked outside your house, cover your car when it is parked on the street. People passing by may unintentionally touch your car and possibly transfer the virus to your car's surface. Number 7, use face mask. Wearing a mask not only protects yourself from other people spreading the virus to you, but it also protects other people from getting infected if you unknowingly have the virus. Coughing, sneezing, and droplets of your saliva can instantly spread the virus inside your car. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss anything? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better.